How to turn on picture-in-picture on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your settings on your iPhone and open up general settings. In your general settings, you would be able to find the option of picture-in-picture. Simply open it up, then turn it on. After that, you need to open up YouTube on your device and wait for it. After that, you need to open up the profile of your YouTube account by clicking on bottom right hand side corner. Then select the option of settings and here select the option of general settings. In general settings on iPhone, you would be able to find the option of picture-in-picture, but it is not there for every one of you right now. Make sure that you have updated your iPhone to the latest version, and after that you should be able to see it. If the option is still not there, then simply offload your YouTube on iPhone, and after that you would be able to find the option of picture-in-picture and turn it on, and this is how you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.